Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 12. Thank you very much, Laruanan, for sponsoring this video. So if you want to get a ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 12, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook, send a DM, and inquire for this product. So, start na natin yung review. This is a box art shot of the action figure, Mark 12 sa likod, some tech na or circuits sa background. Dito sa kabilang side, Iron Man 3, Marvel Studios. The shot of the action figure, different poses, accessories, tapos you have the Disney sticker. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys. Ibig sabihin, this product is, meron siyang sticker ng Disney. This means na this product is original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. Tapos itong flap na to, magnetic. And then if you open the figure, yung first tray, nandito yung action figure. And the second tray, nandito yung accessories niya. Okay, let's try to open this up. Okay. Alright, this is Mark 12 out of the packaging. Ganda ng paint job niya. Wait lang, buksan natin yung accessories naman. Alright, so ito yung accessories niya. Meron siyang pole and the base. So meron siyang hexagonal base. Wait lang tanggalin na nga natin lahat. Okay. Okay, kabit natin yung pole. Teka. Ito muna ng connector. Okay, so you have the pole. Tapos spring-loaded yung kanyang clamp. So you can pose the Iron Man action figure. So if you want na parang lumilipad siya or mas dynamic na poses, you can do that with this stand. Okay, meron din siya accessories na hands. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 alt hands. Ganda ng detail, ng paint detail na ginagawa ni ZD Toys dito. Kahit yung mga inner segments inner joints ng kamay, meron din siyang silver paint. It's a very nice touch. And also the arc reactor or the repulsor section sa kamay, meron ding paint. It's color blue. Alright, meron din siya mga accessories na parang repulsor blast effects. Pero this is more like a parang fire effect. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa kamay and also dito sa paa. Okay. So if you're doing some flight poses, you can attach it to the feet and dito sa kanyang arms. Or hands rather, something like this. Right, in terms of paint job, very, very nice paint job. Grabe, top-notch talaga si ZD Toys pagdating sa paint job. This is parang a dark gray-brown na color of armor. It's a metallic na finish. Super nice. Walang halong weathering. And very, very nice finish. Very sleek. Itong part na to, I think this is from Mark 7. Hindi ko na rin alam kung, I think this is from Heartbreaker. Di ko alam kung anong face to, pero combination siya ng different na parts ng mga suits. I think this leg is from Mark 7, this part here. Tapos, I think this one is from Disco. This part here. Alright. Different. Okay. Nabubuksan ata tong flaps na to. Wait lang Try natin. Right. Pwede rin natin to gamitin yung tip ng accessory para sa pag-angat ng mga flaps. Kasi usually nakadikit pa yan sa sa likod niya. Okay, naangat pala yun and yun lang yung flap na nagagalaw. Kasi usually sa Hot Toys pati ito naaangat Okay. Alright, let's take note lang na hindi siya LED version so walang ilaw yung kanyang arc reactor and the eyes. Okay. Tapos yung color combination dito is silver, dark grayish brown yung armor and the gold. Okay, let's start with the head. Very nice silver sa plating sa face. And we have the armor nga of Mark 7. Arc reactor. It's an empty arc reactor. Maganda sana kung may mga LED versions na ilabas to. So if you are completing or if you are aiming to complete the House Party Protocol armors na may LED, sana maglabas sila ng mga LED versions. Pero this one, it's a very cool option kasi usually ang labas talaga ni ZD Toys sa pag mga first couple of first or mga new armors is the non-LED version. Tapos at a later time release a LED version, yung umiilaw na dito. So powered by USB yun. Yun, maganda talaga yun. All right, in terms of articulation, you can mayroon pa ba tong look up? Can this one look up? Hindi, bumabalik yung kanyang head. So yun na yun. That's it. Tapos down. Pwede ba mag 360? Yes, pwede mag 360. Okay, medyo nahihinder lang ingat lang kayo dito sa part na to. Kasi nahihinder konting-konti yung movement. So if hindi kaya, wag niyo nang pilitin. Okay? Tapos ito yung mga flaps sa likod, yung mga boosters na articulate din yan. You can pull the arms out for better articulation. Out, in and out. Tapos 360 and pull this out. Meron ding rotation ito. Okay? Tapos swivel or arm rotation. Double jointed elbow. Yan na ba yun? Yeah, yun. Kasi meron nag-hinder itong part na to. Okay? That's the max. 90 degrees only. Tapos ball joint yung kanyang kamay. And this one, you can extend. Okay? Pwede. Konting-konti lang extension. Okay? Wait lang Konting-konti lang extension niya. Okay. Konti nga lang. Pero pag in-extend nyo, meron pa rin siyang gap dito sa gitna. Okay, you can pull this down. You can stretch that far. Ab crunch that far. Kick that far. Back kick that far. Double jointed na knee. Tapos, you can rotate this. Alam ko naro-rotate din yan. Itong kanyang leg. Tapos, pwede rin ma-rotate itong kanyang feet via ball joint. So, yun yung articulation ng Mark 12. Again, thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sending this figure for unboxing, review, and customization. So, if you are if you're aiming to complete the House Party Protocol armors, this one is a must kasi nasa listahan to ng mga armors ni Iron Man sa House Party Protocol. And siguro one of my dreams din na makumpleto yung lahat ng armors na yun, tapos meron tayong Iron Man na Hall of Armor. That's very nice. Lalo na kapag merong LED. Yung merong hologram display. Alright, so that's it. Again, thank you very much, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video. If you want to get this, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.